Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. And once the menu opens, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also do this through the settings. So if you're on the home screen, you can press the crown button to open the menu. Then you can scroll through it, look for the settings icon, settings icon, and tap on it. In settings, you should see this menu, and here you need to find the option called watch face and home, and then tap on it. Here you can tap on watch faces, it will open the watch face menu, and you can scroll through the menu, look for the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, under the watch face you can see custom option, you can tap on it, and here you can change the style of the watch face. Then you can swipe left, change the color scheme, then you can swipe left and change the functions, the widgets. You can tap on the pull, tap on the function, and then you can select something from the list. I don't know, maybe sunset, sunrise, and here let's change it to something like lunar calendar, and here let's change it to something like, I don't know. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to apply the changes like this. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the watch faces. So I'm gonna bring the phone that is paired to my watch. We're gonna zoom out the camera a bit so you can see the whole screen of the phone, like this. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Huawei Health application. Actually, let me close it and reopen it, like this. In the app, you should see the health page. Now you can tap on devices icon, and here you should see your HUAWEI Watch 5, select it, and now you should see your watch right here on the page, and under it, under the connected message or banner, you should see watch faces category. It's possible you're missing this option, and if you are, one solution I can come up with is to reinstall the Huawei Health application and select a different region, a service region you selected before, because I believe some of the regions don't allow you to basically access the watch face store. So I would recommend to reinstall the application, and during the installation, if you're asked to select a service region, I would recommend to use something like, I don't know, I'm using United Kingdom and it's working fine, but I believe US might be the one that doesn't support some features. You could try a couple of them by reinstalling the app, but I would recommend something like United Kingdom or maybe something else like Germany or stuff like that. Okay, and once you see the option, tap on more. Here you should see the store for the watch faces. I'm gonna tap on mine right here at the top. It will open the list of watch faces already. Or not. First we need to tap on my faces here, and this will open the list of watch faces already installed on our watch. And to change the watch face, you can tap on one, tap on apply, and it will apply the watch face automatically, like this. You can also download the watch faces, so if you're in the App Store, you can basically tap on one. Oh, this one is not free. Let's find the free one. No, maybe this one. And then you can tap on install, and it will start installing. And after it's done, it should be applied on your watch. Okay, as you can see, it was applied. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.